In recent years, the market size of products made from bamboo has been estimated at about $60 billion US. This annual growth rate. Let's watch this entire video together to see how it is created such great value. First of all, let's learn about the characteristics of bamboo. It is a versatile and attractive plant, widely grown in many areas of the world for commercial purposes. Bamboo is mainly grown in Southeast Asia for construction materials, food, and many other uses. This plant originated in Asia, Africa, and South America more than 7,000 years ago. There are about 1,600 species of bamboo in the world, but the most common and most widely used in manufacturing and construction is bamboo saw. According to most sources, bamboo is the fastest growing plant on Earth. A regular bamboo plant grows 10 centimeters tall every day, and some bamboo species can grow 1 meter per day. Once mature, bamboo can be mechanically harvested and then crushed. The mining and production speed of these machines is very fast and efficient. In the wood industry, crushed bamboo is often used as an ingredient in the production of wood and packaging, helping to create lightweight and durable materials. In some localities, the use of natural materials instead of plastic has begun to protect the environment. Producing toothbrushes from bamboo is an innovative and environmentally friendly method. First, the factories will choose a good quality bamboo, ensuring high hardness and durability. The bamboo is then separated and the bamboo stick is cleaned to remove any impurities. The factory will use cutting and grinding tools to shape the bamboo sticks according to the design. Finally, the surface will be smoothed with a brush and a product will be released to the market. In addition to brushes, there are also many other household items made from bamboo. If you find bamboo a plant with many uses, please subscribe to our channel for more useful information. Using bamboo to make straws is an extremely hot product on the market. instead of plastic straws. This helps to protect the environment. This industry has grown and generated millions of dollars in profits. The type of bamboo needed must be of high quality and suitable for the production of straws. Bamboo needs to be carefully selected to ensure there are no cracks, warping, or other defects. Then, the bamboo will be cut into small pieces of relatively uniform length, suitable for the desired size and diameter of the straw, and cleaned. Once cut, a mold will be used to shape the bamboo pieces into the desired straw shape. If necessary, additional machining steps such as grinding, grooving, or patterning can be performed on the straw surface. Bamboo straw products are not only environmentally friendly, but also cost-effective. If cleaned and stored properly, they can be reused many times. In addition, bamboo is also used as a raw material for paper. Initially, bamboo was harvested and transported to paper mills. Here, bamboo is processed to remove the branches and bamboo stems are then cut into smaller pieces to prepare for the next step. Once prepared, bamboo is processed and formed into a material called cellulose. It is then chemically treated with cellulose chemicals to separate them from other binding substances in the bamboo. Next, the material is transferred to the paper machine, where it is smoothed into a liquid and sprayed onto layers of filter fabric. Finally, the liquid is pressed and dried to create sheets of paper. After watching the video, we can see that bamboo is an important material for many industries such as construction, furniture manufacturing, paper manufacturing, and biological applications. In the future, there will be to watch more interesting videos like this.